Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your HP printer to a mobile device. We will walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring a smooth connection. You will learn about two simple connection methods, making printing from your phone or tablet incredibly easy. Getting your devices linked means you can print documents or photos instantly without needing a computer. Before we begin, let's make sure everything is ready for a seamless connection. First, power on your HP printer and confirm it has plenty of paper. Next, download the free HP Smart app onto your mobile device, available for both Apple and Android. Finally, ensure your mobile device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that your printer uses for optimal performance. One straightforward method is using Wi-Fi Direct, which creates a direct link between your phone and printer without a router. On your printer's control panel, look for the Wi-Fi Direct icon or menu to find the network name and password. Then, open your mobile device's Wi-Fi settings, select that printer network, and enter the password to establish the connection. The recommended way to connect is through the HP Smart app, which offers full printer management features. Open the HP Smart app and tap the plus sign, usually in the top right corner, to begin adding your printer. The app will then guide you through finding and connecting your printer over your existing Wi-Fi network, typically taking less than 1 minute.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.